Have you ever wondered about the origins of a hearty San Francisco classic? Today, we're diving into the rich history and delicious flavors of Cioppino, an Italian-American seafood stew. Cioppino was created by Italian immigrant fishermen in San Francisco during the late 1800s, using whatever seafood was available from their daily catch. The stew is made with a bright and aromatic tomato wine base, simmered with a variety of fresh seafood like scallops, shrimp, mussels, clams, and firm white fish. Cioppino's flavor is reminiscent of the Ligurian caciucco, a traditional seafood stew from Italy. Its preparation can be completed in just 1 hour. This versatile dish can also adapt to dietary preferences such as keto diets, proving its flexibility and popularity among different culinary trends. Cioppino not only showcases the bounty of San Francisco's waters, but also serves as a testament to the cultural fusion that defines American cuisine. Today, Cioppino continues to be celebrated in San Francisco and beyond, offering a unique blend of Italian cooking traditions with local seafood bounty. So there you have it, the history and flavors behind Cioppino. Have you tried this San Francisco classic? Share your thoughts or recipes in the comments below.